So if I talk about the economy of Thandi Kassi, it primarily relies on agriculture as its economic backbone. The local economy is characterized by animal husbandry like raising sheep, goats and cattle for both subsistence and trade. The region is known for traditional handicrafts and tourism which contribute to the local economy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Hayakaina from grade 5th. Today I want to share my experience about Thandi Kassi. Climb the hills and touch the fluffy white cloud. Thandi Kassi Park is your playground where dreams come alive. Thanks.
Hello everyone, I am Farhan Malik from class 7. Today I tell you a few lines about Thandi Kassi. Thandi Kassi is a magical place where nature, beauty shines on every face. Green hills and rivers are treasure to see. A perfect spot for you and me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Fatima from class 5th. Today I want to share my experience about Thandi Kassi. Thandi Kassi means cold water in the local language. The area is known for its natural spring and waterfall. Thandi Kassi is popular destination for adventure seekers and nature lovers. Thanks.
I am Muhammad Kamran. Today I want to express some lines about Thandi Kassi. It is the best place for the nature lovers in Thandi Kassi Park every year.
My name is Ariza Fatima and I want to share my experience about Thandi Kassi. Thandi Kassi Park, located in the picturesque Rajouri district, is a perfect picnic spot, offering a blend of natural beauty and tranquility. If I talk about my opinion, this place is perfect for nature lovers with opportunities for short hikes and peaceful strolls. The spot is also ideal for playing different games, photography with breathtaking views of the surrounding environment. Overall, Thandi Kassi place is a beautiful escape from the hustle and bustle ideal for spending time with friends and family in a tranquil natural setting. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Abdul Subhan Malik. Today I want to tell few lines about Thandi Kassi. It is situated near the town of Rajouri in Pir Panjal Ranch, offering breathtaking views of surrounding mountains and valleys. This area popular among tourists seeking adventure and natural beauty, offering communities for camping a photograph. Thanks.
Hello everyone, I am Nasha Mir. According to my opinion, Thandi Kassi and DARHAL represent different ecological regions which influence the type of plant and trees found in each area. Thandi Kassi plant and trees are typically found in cooler climate, while DARHAL plant and trees are more suited to warmer or temperature environment. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sanju. As per my opinion, Thandi Kassi Park is a scenic tourist spot located in the Rajouri district of J&K, India. I also want to tell you some key attractions of this place. The panoramic views of the Pir Panjal Range, the Thandi Kassi River, ancient temples and historical site, lush green forest and pasture land. Thank you.